Now we're going to look at graphs of functions, or functions as graphs. And one of the most important properties or things with that is the vertical line test. So a graph is a function if and only if no vertical line intersects the graph more than once. So if you find a vertical line and it intersects the graph more than once, then it is not a function. And this really corresponds back to when we were doing the mapping with the ordered pairs. And if you had a x value that got mapped to two different y values, then you said this is not a function. So this is graphically the same thing as that, where you have an x value that's getting mapped to two different y values. That's essentially what the vertical line test is doing. So with the first one, if you can find a vertical line that intersects this more than once, then it's not a function. Well, the only thing that comes close is basically right here, and it does not hit the function there. So this would be yes, this is a function. On part B, if I just draw a vertical line here, that does intersect it in more than one location. You can draw multiple vertical lines. If you want to draw it over here, you can. But as long as you can find one, then it is not a function. With part C, this crosses it more than once. So this is not a function. With part D, well, we actually can't find a vertical line that intersects that more than once, so yes, this would be a function. Part E, we cannot draw a vertical line that intersects that more than once, so yes, that would be a function. And then part F, yes, this would also be a function.